Introducing the Smartech WBC Series Smart Battery Wheel Chargers. This series comes in 3 configurations: the 200 amp, the 250 amp, and the 275 amp. All 3 models can charge, maintain, and boost all 6 and 12 volt lead acid batteries. These wheel chargers feature state-of-the-art safety features and powerful utility solutions that can not only charge and maintain batteries, but also act as an automotive engine start and system voltage alternator tester.
Introducing the Smartech SBC Series Smart Battery Chargers. This series comes in a 50 amp and 125 amp version that can charge, maintain, and boost all 6 and 12 volt lead acid batteries. These battery chargers feature state-of-the-art safety features and powerful utility solutions that can not only charge and maintain batteries, but also act as an automotive engine start and system voltage alternator tester.
Introducing the Smartech JSL Series Power Station with Jump Starter and Air Compressor. This series comes in 2 configurations: the JSL 950 amp version and the JSL 1250 amp version. Both power station models feature a compact power hub with a massive array of output options, including AC/DC receptacles that can operate any 120 volt home appliance or any 12 volt home appliance or automotive accessory. 2 USB ports to power and charge smartphones, tablets, and a wide variety of other USB-powered devices. A built-in jump starter with included battery clamps to easily start your vehicle battery. A powerful 150 psi air compressor with a built-in pressure gauge that can inflate 5 vehicle tires on a single charge. And a super bright built-in LED work light to illuminate your work area if you're in the dark.
Introducing the revolutionary Smartech Power Kit. This amazing portable power pack is a dependable power source that instantly charges your cell phone. Powerful enough to charge and bring your computer, tablet, and all your technology back to life again. A 12-volt power source to bring comfort just about anywhere. It's also a powerful 500 amp jump starter. That's not all. It's also a rugged 150 psi air pump. It's also a powerful flashlight with solid emergency flashing and SOS functions all built in. And it's so compact, it stores anywhere, so you can use it everywhere.